The Grantham Motion Light is our best-selling up and down wall light. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Grantham Solar Motion Lights. Let's get into it. The Grantham Solar Motion Lights provide a warm white illumination at night and has a modern anthracite grey finish. This light is available in two versions. We've got the standard version, which is 15 centimeters tall, 11 centimeters wide and 120 lumens. And then we've got the XL version, which is 19 centimeters tall, 13 centimeters wide and emits 160 lumens. We also sell this light with a dusk sensor rather than a motion sensor. The lumens in these motion lights are double what the standard Grantham wall light possesses. This is because the motion lights are able to store up all the energy and release it in short bursts, rather than having the light on all the time. Let's open the box and have a look. Inside the standard version box, we've got the instructions, the screws, and we have the light. The XL version comes with all the same parts as the standard version, except it also comes with a USB cable. This is because the XL version offers USB charging, whereas the standard version doesn't. You can access the USB port on the back of the light by unscrewing the weatherproof cap. Then all you need to do is plug in your charger and you can charge your lights. To install either of these lights, you'll need to drill 2 level holes using the back of the light as a guide. Then you just need to drill the screws into the holes and then slide the light down onto the screws. To turn this light on, you'll need to press the on button on the back of the light. Then when motion is detected, your light should come on. The motion sensor on these lights can reach up to 8 meters with a 100-degree angle and also have up to 500 activations per night. Make sure you've charged these lights for at least 12 hours in the sun beforehand, or if you have the XL version, you can use the USB charging. The solar panel on the Grantham light sits on top, so make sure you place these lights somewhere as south facing as possible. These lights are up and down lights, meaning they have 4 LEDs on the top and 4 LEDs on the bottom. These LED lights should last for at least 10 years. One of the best things about this light is that it has a power saving mode. This just means the light will remain on at 50% brightness rather than the standard 100% brightness. You can activate this mode by pressing the on button on the back of the light once the lights are already turned on one more time. Power saving mode is great for winter time and the run time is 2 times faster than in the standard mode. Either of these lights are an ideal choice if you're looking for a welcome light or a security light. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.